Right. Good evening, Kute. Hope you can hear me. Can you hear me?
Yes, Miss.
Right. So it's raining a bit here. I don't think that sound will be bothering you. Right. I told you that I'll be discussing the rest of the paper that I have discussed already. That 2019 paper will be discussed today. I'll be starting with 36 sessions. So we'll be continuing with that. If we have time, we will be going to a new paper as well. So I'll be starting with that. So especially this session is given for the students who are writing the examination at 2025. That means in the coming up month. The time is very limited. Now now you're very closer to the exam. I hope everyone is having a good idea about the exam and you're very well prepared by this time. This is additional help for you guys. Those who are not that ready with the MCQs and those who are really good at MCQs, you can get the help from this session. Even for the ones who are sitting in the 2026, 27, even in 28 and coming up years also, we'll get the benefit of this one because this is going like a recorded video. So I wish you all good luck in the examinations also. If you have any questions before that, you can always clarify with that. I'm thinking of discussing few as well. So let's go with the 36 questions. Right. Personal grasslands are found in. The correct answer is intermediate and wet zone. So how do we find this answer? There is a table in your book given like this. Let me show you that. You can see that dry coconut is found in this wet zone and intermediate zone. So in the next year, the similar questions can come from this table. I would say that the table from the book is much more important, and these are the places you actually need to by heart. These tables, many of the MCQs are coming from these tables, and so that let's go through a little about this table also. So we have 4 climatic zones divided here: arid zone, dry zone, intermediate zone, and wet zone. So they have given some parameters such as temperature, rainfall, and altitude. So as you all know, in the arid zone, that the temperature must be very high. So it is 32 degrees to 36 degrees Celsius. And compared to that, dry zone is also having usually a high temperature, but compared to the arid zone, the temperature is a bit low, 28 to 32. Intermediate zone, it is even low temperature is there than dry zone, 24 to 28. When it comes to wet zone, the annual average temperature is given here, 60 to 28. So that it is the lowest temperature here. And the rainfall must be highest at the wet zone, and intermediate zone having mid range 1,250 to 2,000, and 1,000 to 1,500, and in the arid zone, low rainfall is there, right? So, altitude In wet zone, about 1,500 and 900 to 1,500. And intermediate zone, 500 to 1,500. And activity lower than 500 and activities lower than 30 in arid zone, right? So the forest sites present in these areas are given here. Arid zone, we can find only stone crop, and dry zone, we can find tropical dry leaf evergreen forest. Intermediate zone, we may find sorry, children, I got disconnected. What I was describing is the table. I was telling that one is having tropical dry mixed evergreen forest, and in the intermediate zone, tropical moist evergreen forest, and in the wet zone, tropical low wet evergreen ones, and top forest, montane forests are there. Grasslands found in arid grasslands. Dry zone, we can find Daman and Salava. Savanna is also found in the dry zone. Since the rain, some difficulties are there. Can't see no? Like heavy, dry person and grasslands. So sometimes in future they may ask what are the zones that savanna are found. So you can say that savanna are found in dry zone and intermediate zone, isn't it? Right? Similar questions can be created using this table. And you can be asked Salava wetlands, Salava grasslands, what zone that we can find them, and in the wet zone only the Salava grasslands can be found. And Salava again found in dry zone, right? So here 2 by 2, you can write it at somewhere and keep. And then dominant grasslands are found in dry zone only, right? So, yeah. Yeah, tropical mountains are found in intermediate zone and wet zone both. So these are kind of common things I'm taking. And yeah. Generally, you can hear me now, right? Now, what is the next question? For this question, I'm going to 37th question here. Continuous service vary for uh, environmental service, environment, disaster management, no. Prevention of soil erosion. I'm sorry, children, it's getting disconnected. I think maybe because of low signals here. What I was telling is here for the question number 31, another value of biodiversity is asking. Answer number 4 is disaster management problem. Right, so let's go and see about environmental service value of biodiversity also. Here is the environmental service value. This is the most important service provided by biodiversity, maintaining critical environmental function, carbon dioxide fixation, photosynthesis, maintaining essential nutrient cycles, maintaining water cycle and recharging of groundwater, soil formation and protection from erosion, regulating climate by recycling moisture into the atmosphere, water purification and pollination, right? Those things. So according to this one, we know that helping disaster management is a given there. No, next, right? So that is wrong. Right. So I'm going to 38th session. Which of the following does not contribute global warming? Depletion of ozone layer directly contributing to global warming. Cattle farming, methane-like gases are contributing to global warming. Or ozone in the lower atmosphere, yes, it's not allowing heat to radiate outside the stratosphere. And the growth of phytoplankton is not directly contributing global warming, but global warming is affecting for the growth of phytoplankton. It can destroy phytoplankton and it can directly affect the photosynthesis. Water vapor in the atmosphere, yes, water vapor is also one of the greenhouse gases which is contributing to global warming. So let's go to the global warming section also a little. Right, let's see the gases that are contributing global warming and climate change, increased emission of carbon dioxide and the other greenhouse gases. So here carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, man-made industrial gases such as fluorocarbons, hydrofluorocarbons, and sulfur hexafluoride, black carbon particles, and carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide, and tropospheric oxygen, that means lower level oxygen, ozone, as I told you, and nitrogen oxide are also contributing here. Non-methane water vapor is also one of the factors, as I told you, and the non-methane volatile organic compounds and aerosols are considered as greenhouse gases. So at least try to remember kind of a simple points which are discussed under here, so that today you can remember what gases contribute to greenhouse gas effect and what are the factors contributing to global warming. So one factor is the increasing emission of greenhouse gases. The second factor is deforestation and decrease of vegetation cover of the world. Number 3, destroying the large quantity of phytoplankton by UV radiation due to depletion of ozone layer. Okay, right. Let's get back to the next one. Right. Tell me whether you understood these 3 questions. You all okay?
Yes, Miss.
Right. All right. So now I'm coming to 39th question. Which of the following statement regarding culture media used to grow microbes in the laboratory? Agar in culture media provides suitable pH range for growth of microorganisms is wrong. Agar is used as only a solidifying agent to obtain solid culture media, so that it is wrong. You can write something near to the question, get used to do that, so that you can understand and reason why this statement is correct or wrong. So agar is not for providing suitable pH, it is to get solidified culture media. Number 2, glucose is generally used to prepare culture media to grow fungi. What is the name of the culture media that is used to grow fungi? We call it as potato dextrose agar. Also, we call it as PDA. Potato dextrose agar. Potato dextrose agar is having glucose as an ingredient. So that is the immediate energy source for them. Let's go to number 3. Culture media for bacteria are prepared using potatoes? No. Write down this one. The culture media for bacteria, we call it as nutrient agar. Which is made up of beef extract. So here it is nutrient agar. And sodium chloride is added to all culture media. No, some culture media we don't need to add sodium chloride, right? Let's go to 40th question. Coliform bacteria were detected in a water sample obtained from a river. Drinking untreated water from this river may not likely to cause. That means you have to select which is not a waterborne disease here. Typhoid fever, obviously, yes. Cholera, yes. Dysentery, yes. All these are endemic diseases, right? So this is happening in the gut, small intestine, large intestine related diseases. Paratyphoid also, yes. Tetanus is The answer is tetanus is not a waterborne disease, right? So when you are hit with a nail, can ඇඬෙනක් කැනුනහම ඒ වගේ වෙලාවලදී තමයි tetanus හැදෙන්නවට එයා වතුරෙන් බෝ වෙන්නේ නැහැ. හරිද? Okay? හරි. Hi. Now I'm going to the next question. The first one. Which of the following statements regarding energy relations in organisms is not correct? In cellular respiration, photophosphorylation and oxidative phosphorylation occur. Photophosphorylation happens in photosynthesis. This is correct. This part is wrong. So that whole statement is wrong here. During metabolic reactions, ATP oxidizes to ADP wrong. ATP hydrolyzes. ATP oxidizes when ATP hydrolyzes when right? Substrate phosphorylation is right. Substrate phosphorylation occurs in Krebs cycle. Yes, substrate phosphorylation in aerobic respiration happens in two places. One thing is in glycolysis, second thing is in Krebs cycle. Next one, all metabolic reactions release energy. No, some metabolic reactions absorb energy too. So that answer is answer number 5 in question number 41. Oh, wait. No, 5 in there. C statement I didn't read. Energy stored in ATP can be converted into electrical energy here. So answer C and D both are correct. So here the correct answer is answer number 4. Okay, sorry. Next one. Which of the following classes include animals having internal fertilization as well as those having external fertilization? That means internal external දෙකම තියෙන කට්ටියව තමයි අහන්නේ. Amphibia නම් අපි දන්නවා external fertilization විතරයි තියෙන්නේ. Aves no strictly internal fertilization විතරයි තියෙන්නේ. එතකොට reptilia internal fertilization විතරයි දන්න කට්ටිය බලමු අපි. එතකොට Ostrich convicts කියන දෙන්නට තමයි internal as well as external fertilization තියෙන්නේ. Always Magaradune. Hinna. Convex is Latana. Oh, a big check kind of okay. Convex is like a clear. eggs are externally fertilized. Some of external fertilization විතරයි තියෙනවා contract seals කට. But auspic seals කට external or internal means most කට්ටිය external fertilization but some show internal fertilization. එතකොට amphibians වලට එතන most කතාවේ තමයි amphibians ලාගේ ඇවිත් තියෙන amphibians ලා external විතරක් නෙවෙයි මේ most amphibians show external fertilization. එතකොට මේකේ A B ගන්න වෙන්නේ පුතේ. ආවේස් ලා කවදාවත් external කරන්නේ reptilians external නෑ. එතකොට chondric seals නුත් නෑ. auspic seals නුයි amphibia තමයි. එතකොට answer එක 3. හරිනේ? මෙතන 4 මේක 3. Please go through those two questions one more time to give you a little time. Okay, Pute? Right. Next one, I'm going to 43. Question number 43 is talking about respiratory pigments. So we'll go to that section as well. Right. In page number 194 in the resource book, first resource book, they have some given details about respiratory pigments given here. Hemoglobin found in human and other vertebrates and annelids. Hemocyanin is present in hemolymph of arthropods and mollusks. Chlorochlorine present in many annelids. Hemoerythrin present in blood of marine invertebrates. Myoglobin present in vertebrate muscles. So let's go to the question and see. It says myoglobin present in bony fishes. Yes, bony fish is obviously a vertebrate, so that it should have. Hemoglobin is present in mollusks. Hemoglobin is no, hemoglobin is only present in human, other vertebrates, and annelids only. Chlorofluorine is present in annelids, yes. Hemoerythrin is present in annelids. Hemoerythrin is present in annelids, yes. Yes. Hemocyanin is present in reptiles. No, it's present in only arthropods and mollusks, so that's wrong. So answer is A, C, D. So that answer 2 should be correct here. 43 answer 2. So 43 answer is 2. Let's go to 44. Smoking stimulates the secretion of mucus by goblet cells in respiratory tract. Yes, you may have seen that if someone is smoking, that they have a phlegm every time, like they are coughing and they have some phlegm like nature. And causes tuberculosis? No, it can give chances for tuberculosis by damaging the lung tissue, but still not the direct cause. Decreases oxygen transport in blood. How? It's binding with carbon monoxide in irreversible manner, so that you cannot give space for transportation of oxygen here. Inhibits the action of CDA in the respiratory tract. Yes, by cyanide, it's C, right? Reduces the heartbeat, no, increases the heartbeat temporarily when you are smoking. So that answer 2 is correct here also. 43 2, this one also 2. Correct? Please go to these 2 questions quickly, okay? Right. Okay, guys, we'll start. Let's go to 45th one. Which of the following contributes uh, for the maintenance of resting potential of a neuron? Unequal distribution of sodium, potassium, chloride, and large anions inside and outside of the neuron. Correct now? Active transport of sodium out of the neuron and potassium into the neuron, 3:2 ratio. Yeah, that's correct. Every 3 sodium. Every 3 sodium. Every 3 potassium taken in 2 sodium is given now. I don't remember. Let me see one more time. Mm, 3 sodium out of the cell. Every 2 potassium transported in. මේක හරි. Right? 3 දෙනෙක්ට potassium. ඒ කියන්නේ sodium 3 දෙනෙක් කිව්ව එළියට දානකොට potassium දෙන්නෙක්ව ඇතුළට ගන්නවා කියලානේ කියන්නේ. හරි. ඊළඟට යනවා opening of more potassium channels than sodium channels. ඒකත් හරි. Transport of more sodium plus into intracellular fluid of the neuron, then this is wrong. Transport of chloride from neuron, then chloride is also not going anywhere, okay? So answer is answer 5 because A, B, C are correct here, okay? 46 one, parthenogenesis. You know, parthenogenesis and parthenocarpic is there. Parthenocarpy, seedless fruits. Here it is seeds are produced without fertilization. Wait, parthenogenesis. Wait. Parthenogenesis is seed development, fertilization. What I said is correct. This can form haploid and diploid both. Parthenogenesis can be seen in animals also. All invertebrates wrong. Some invertebrates, yeah, such as honeybees and all that. Some lizards also parthenogenesis can be seen. Produces male drones, not female honeybees. Produces complete individual from an unfertilized egg. Correct. So here A is correct. Something is wrong in my answers. Wait. Answer should be 5. Let me see one more time. Parthenogenesis is again described in Animalia also. Let's see. Right, here we go. It's the parthenogenesis here. Eggs develop into complete individual without being fertilization is correct. Among invertebrate, parthenogenesis occurs in animals such as bees, ants, aphids, and wasps. The progeny can be haploid or diploid. Honeybees are fertile haploid adults that develop through parthenogenesis, that with male drones are produced in that manner. Females, including both sterile workers and fertile queen, are diploid adults that are developed from fertilized eggs. Parthenogenesis has also been observed very rarely among vertebrates, very rarely. Some lizards, yes. So according to the given question, produces complete individual from an unfertilized egg. That is correct. First one is correct. Then second statement, produces female honeybees. Wrong. Male drones. Then first one correct, second one wrong. Can be observed in some lizards. Correct. Forms only diploid progeny. Diploid or haploid. So D is wrong here. Can be seen in all invertebrates. Alright. So here is the answer. Answer 5 is coming. So first one is correct. Second one wrong. Third one correct. Fourth one wrong. Fifth one is also wrong. No, not only from diploid. Okay. Right. So 47. Correct regarding skeletons of animals. There's no such a skeleton called coelom, but coelom can act as a hydrostatic skeleton. So that we can take it. Coelom is acting as a hydrostatic skeleton. Pseudocoelom in Nidarians, they don't have pseudocoelom, so that is wrong. Calcium carbonate plates, yes, endoskeleton in echinodermates. Bony plates, reptiles, correct. Gastrovascular, no. answer is A, B, D. Answer 2 here. Here 46 answer 5. Okay. Right. We'll give you 2 minutes. Please go through these 2 questions also one more time. Shall we go to the next question? Next question is about biomes. In which of the following responses biomes that are encountered when traveling from the North Pole towards the equator? කියන්නේ උඩ ඉඳන් පහළට එනකොට මොනවාද එන biomes ටික කියලානේ අහන්නේ. ඒකට you need to follow the biome map theory. Biome map එක to දාගමු, right? එතකොට here is the biome map නේද? මම options ටික කියවන්නම් පළවෙනි එක. ඔයගොල්ලන් බලන්න picture එකත් එක්ක. First tundra. Tundra is at the top near the here. Let me increase the size more. Right. So tundra is given in purple color, so that's the topmost biome. So second one given here is coniferous forest. Coniferous forest is given in blue color. Yeah, it is coming up next. And then temperate grassland. Temperate grassland is given here in brown color. Yes, that is also found next. Next one, deserts. Deserts is given in yellow color, yes. And tropical forest is given in green color. Yes, correct order. First one, correct order is there. Then we are going to the next one. Tundra, coniferous forest, correct, no? Previous order. Temperate broadleaf forest. Temperate broadleaf forest is in a light green color. Yes, if you come this side, you will meet them. And then next one, chaparral and desert. Chaparral is given in which color? Chaparral is red color. Yes, if you come down in this way, you will meet chaparral next. So here. And then they have given deserts, yeah, the yellow color. Then third answer, it says tundra, temperate grasslands. Tundra is there, but in between there are some biomes. Correct sequence. Tundra, grasslands, coniferous forest. No, before grasslands, coniferous forests are there, so that is wrong. C is wrong. D, tundra, temperate broadleaf forest. Okay. Coniferous forest. No, coniferous forest is found before that, so D is also wrong. Tundra, coniferous forest, chaparral. Tundra, coniferous forest, chaparral. Okay, but not in the correct adjacent biomes. Temperate grasslands and savanna. Temperate grassland and savanna. No, that is also wrong. The correct answer is 48. A, B, answer 3. Okay. I'm going to 49th one. Select the correct combination or combinations with respect to the use of microbes in the industries. Product yogurt, Lactobacillus bulgaricus correct. Vinegar, Gluconobacter is correct. Citric acid, this guy is not the one. And lipase, Rhizopus correct. Vitamin C is also wrong. So correct answer is A, B, D here. Answer 1. 50th question. Saccharotic ones නෙවෙයි rancidity එකට cause කරන්නේ. Rancidity එකට cause කරන්නේ lipolytic one. So first one is wrong. Putrefaction occurs mainly due to breakdown of proteins, correct? Lipolytic microorganisms are not responsible for fermentation. They are responsible for rancidity. Acids are formed during fermentation. Acids. Lactic acid fermentation produces acids, but here acids are formed. Acids. Rancidity occurs due to generation of amines. No. So answer 5 is correct there. Okay, children? Hi. Right, now tell me whether you understood that part.
Yes, Miss.
Virginie,
Yes, teacher.
you joined from the group, is it so?
Today's the first day.
Oh, are you writing examining this year?
Yes, madam.
Right, so now we are ready? Still studying, no? Hurry. Now I was about to ask, can we discuss one more paper or like half of a paper? So you guys going to stay or going to sleep now?
To stay.
Right, okay. We'll give you a 5 minutes break. After that, we'll join. It is not a mandatory thing to stay because I'll be recording the thing. So we'll give you a 5 minutes break. I'll be putting another news link to the group. So get that link and come to that one. Okay? Okay, see you then.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.